So welcome back, guys. Now we said we're talking about our carboxylic acid, right? And we said there are two methods in which we can produce our alkanes from where? From the carboxylic acid. So the first one is what, when we have sodium salt of carboxylic acid plus heat in soda lime of what? So soda lime is a mixture of NaOH and what? CaO. It's going to give alkane containing what? One carbon atom less. So the carbon, it will have what? A carbon atom less. That is, we are removing just what? A CO2 group. So the removal of CO2 group here on like what is what we call the decarboxylation. Okay, and this occur when you have like CH3CONA, then in terms of NaOH, CO, so it goes with what? Your CH4. You get, because now you have two carbon atom. That's two carbon atom. So if you remove one from it, it gives you what? Just one carbon atom, which is what? Your methane in this case. Okay, so what they're talking about here. And then the second one is what? Our coal-based electrolysis. Now for the coal-based electrolysis, we said an aqueous salt of what? This, so we can have CH3CONA. Okay, so when we say salt of carboxylic acid, no, we also use it here. That's when you have like your CH3COOH. Now this hydrogen has been replaced by what? A metal. Okay, or an ammonium ion. Yeah, or let's just say a metal in this case. So this is going to give us what? CH3 C double O what? Minus, then Na plus. And it's not must put the minus and the plus. You can just say CH3 COO Na. Okay, so in terms of water on electrolysis, it's going to give what? Alkane with what? Even number of carbon. So take note of the what? Even number of carbon. So you know you have two carbon, so that would be what? Two even number of carbon. Okay, and they now say, why can't methane be prepared by this method? So why? So because methane is just what? One carbon atom. And since methane is one carbon atom is what? Odd, is not even. So methane cannot be what? It cannot be produced from this method. Okay, so they're talking about there. And also for this one, no matter the equation you use for this one, it's still going to balance. No matter the kind of salt you use. So you can, I use it sodium ethoxide. Is it sodium ethoxide? I shall use the two membered carbon. You get, so that's your sodium sort of what? Ethanoic acid. So we can also use what? We can just use our what? We can use any other reaction. So we can use like, maybe let's say like CH3 CH2 then COOH. You know, this is propanoic acid. So in terms of what? Two, in terms of NaOH and CaO, so plus NaOH in terms of what? CaO and what? It. So it's still going to give us a carbon atom less, which is going to be what? This is prop. It will now give us what? Ethane, right? Okay, so it give us ethane, not methane in this case. So it give us, yes, ethane. So it will be CH3 CH3 then plus what? Na2CO3, and that will still what? Be the same thing. Okay, so that's that for our, what do you call it, for our um carboxylic acid, preparation of alkane from carboxylic acid. Now the next thing we are going to look at is what? The physical properties of our alkanes. So we're talking about the physical properties of our alkanes.